Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on it, and if the shutter button is red, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar, and the first position, the first option from the right is the resolution. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've got three different options from which we can choose. So 720p, which is currently applied, 1080p and 2K. All you have to do is to tap on the option like to use, so I'll pick 1080p option, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use this option to record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.